This video will show how to create box plots, both modified and regular, using the nspire. So here's the data from the other video, remember the 2, 2, 3, 4 up to 23, and we created a modified box plot by hand. Let's look how you do it on the nspire. So here's the same data set, right? I labeled it box plot data, right? And there's the numbers here. Now to create a box plot, right, I'm going to go to a new screen, choose data graphs. Remember, it puts data all over, and in fact this is not even the data we want, so I want to click to add my variable, and it's called box plot data, right? And again, remember, it creates a dot plot to start. Now if we go back to our favorite menu key and choose plot type, right away number 2 is box plot. Select this and wham, you get a modified box plot, right? It shows the outliers. You can toggle over the different values for the 5-number summary, right? There's 2, our minimum. There's Q1, median, Q3, right? There's the end of our outlier range, which is, remember, the 1.5 times the IQR, and you add that to Q3 for that outlier range. And there's my outlier at 23. To create a regular box plot, that's the one that doesn't show you the specific outliers. We could just draw this line out to our outlier and we would be done. Or to see it on the calculator, go back to menu, go to plot properties, and right away is extend box plot whiskers, and now we have a regular box plot. So in looking at this data, again, when we see this graph, it looks like our data is definitely skewed right. We have a larger box on the right, and we have a longer whisker on the right. Now, if we look, go back, menu, plot properties, show outliers, right here, it still shows that it is slightly skewed right because we have a larger second side of our box, but definitely it's not as skewed right as the other box plot image gives us. So again, you can easily create box plots in the nspire that do both modified and regular.